Hey guys, today we will be discussing about the installation of Python because it's a prerequisite to have Python installed on your system to make use of Natural Language Toolkit, NLTK I'm talking about. So let's discuss about installing Python. So basically, Python is a language that comes up, with a lot of functionality when it comes to text processing, text analyzation, and opinion mining or text mining. So a lot of good amount of stuff is available, uh, in Python. So we will start with installation of Python. As you can see, we can download it from python.org. This is a website, and here we have a different set of install options. So we can choose the appropriate one for 64-bit installation like you have. Okay, so you can make a choice, and the latest one that we have is Python 3.7.0. So we can take executable, web-based. These are the options that we have, and so I'll just say download. Now basically this will so you can run the exe file and get it installed on your Windows system. And once it is installed, we can go to command line, and we can say Python, and if it is successfully installed on your system, you'll be able to see this kind of prompt. So okay, good with Python. And then the important thing is installation of NLTK from this is the website that we have, nltk.org. And for Windows we have this installation link given over here, and a very simple way to do it. Go here, I'll say I'll just I'll type pip install nltk. This will install the NLTK on your system, and since I have already installed, so I'm getting requirement already satisfied, but it would not be the case in your machine. So it will so this is the command that we use to install NLTK, and once we have NLTK installed, we can make a check, right? So let's go to our Python prompt, and I can say NLTK, or I would say import NLTK, and this means, if it is running without any error being thrown, that means NLTK has been installed in your system. So the next thing would be we can make a check on the version that we have on our machine just by typing this Python command over here. We have this version. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do is installing the NLTK data. I would say NLTK.download. It will download all the corpora and all the related files that we have. So you'll have to install all these packages. It is green in my case because it's already installed, but in your case you just have to click on all, and you just have to say download. Okay, it will install all the corpora, all the related stuff that is required to use NLTK successfully with the help of Python. So I think that's it, and you have these links, okay, with you to install Python and NLTK. Thanks, guys. We will be carrying forward with our next discussion with tokenization. Thank you.